You are very welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Zion of Logistics. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how you can add your shipping address on Pindoudou and how you can link your 1688 account with this Pindoudou to make a direct payment. So there are some goods that I need to pay for someone, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the live tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly consider me a subscription by hitting on that red subscription button. It is free, guys. It is free. So let's dive into today's video. Now this is the first link I will be buying. This is the first link I'll be buying now. So I click on this link. So clicking on it will redirect me to the app. So let me just click on allow now. So it's going to, this is the port that I wish to buy, is a different set of ports. So I'm buying it for a student. So what I want to do now is to click on this red icon here. These are the different varieties of prices and the ports that is there. So I will have to choose one here. So let me search for the one that I wanted to buy. So once I see it, I will definitely know that this is the one I'm going for. It is this one that we are going to be buying today. Do you get it? So the next thing I want to do now is to click on this red icon here to select the, you can see that this is different option that this page is showing me. You know that when we try to create this account, we connected it with our WeChat account. So by the virtue of you doing this, we can definitely pay with our WeChat Pay. Then we can pay with our Visa card or MasterCard directly. And this, if I'm to scroll down now and check this box, you can see the option of Alipay there. So I'll be making use of my Alipay account, guys. So what I want to do now is to click on this Alipay account here. And once I click on the toggle, the next thing I'll be doing is to click on this orange icon. It's not a must you use Alipay. If you want to, if you have activated your WeChat Pay, it's a thing you can easily get use. Do you get it? So but the sake of this video now, I'll be teaching you how you can link it with your Alipay directly. So what I want to do, I have confirmed the price and I have selected the option that I want to make payments with. The next thing I want to do is to click on this orange right here. So once I click on it, it's going to tell me to input my shipping address and all that. So this is where I'm going to be inputting my shipping address. So guys, the first option here is where you are going to be inputting the receiver's name. So what you want to do, if you don't understand this page, you can easily screenshot it, but I have already get used to this, so I already know what this page. So the first one is the name, the second one is the phone number, and the third one is the area code, and the fourth one is more details about this address. So I will be inputting the first one as the name of the shipping company I want to use. So which is let me just put the name of the shipping company here in a very quick one, so it won't be getting too long. Or nevertheless, you can just put the name of the receiver there. Do you get it? So I will be just, let me just put let me just copy this the warehouse address here first. So from there I'll just copy this number, then I'll paste it here. Then the next thing I want to do is to click on the area code, and I'll select the area code. So you just input the warehouse address the way it was being given to you, and once you are done filling this information, what you want to do is to click on next here. So you can see that it is loading, and you can see that it has automatically added and is redirecting me to my Alipay. And this is what I'll be paying for this product right here. And the next thing you want to do is to confirm this transaction. Automatically, once I confirm this transaction, the Alipay will be linked to my Pindoudou account. So I'll just click on confirm to buy this item, and I will long press. Then once I'm done, I'll make payments now. Let me just screenshot and I'll click on done. So I'll open the app again. So it's going to confirm that this item has been paid for. Do you get it? So once you have made a successfully order now, you are going to be going to your settings to check your order. You can see right here that we are seeing something like one. This one simply means that I've paid for one item. Do you get it? So once they start the shipment will be in the where you are seeing something like moving vehicle here. It will move there. So what I want to do next is to forward the complete address to my supplier. I've already shut this guy up. So what I want to do next, you can see now that this thing is in transit. You can see that this is one. So you can see it that I've already made this payment for this product now. So let me just contact this my supplier here. Then I will drop the shipping address to him. So I'll forward it, then I'll paste it. Let me go and copy the warehouse address that I want to use. So this is the warehouse address that I want to be used, that I want the supplier to ship this product to. So I'll just send it to him now. You can see that I've already sent this item to this guy. So once he received this warehouse address, is going to ship it down to this warehouse address directly. I believe he has read this message. So let me just message him here now. Let me use my translator to message him. Please, let me switch to Chinese. Okay, so let me say, please help me ship to that warehouse address. So you can see right here that I've already input it in English, and I'll just click on translate. So once it translates here, what I want to do is to send it to this guy in Chinese, so he's going to understand. So I've already sent it to him, and which he has already replied me. So let me see what he replied me with now. So let me just try to paste it here. Then you can see that he's saying please wait. He's trying to confirm my payment. So once this guy confirm my payment and the payment has been received, you can see right here that this payment has been received, and this is the warehouse address that I just added right here. You can see what is popping up at the screen right now. So what I want to do is to confirm this transaction with this supplier for him to help me ship it down. You can see that this is my the contact number and all that. So what I want to do is just to confirm this warehouse address, that the warehouse address is confirmed. So once I confirm this warehouse address, they are going to ship it down to this warehouse directly without any mistake. Do you get it? So that is how to, let me just click on this item. So he has already processed this warehouse. So the next thing you want to do is to click on this item here, the last item, to confirm this address, that the address is confirmed. So it's going to automatically help me to ship this product down to the aforementioned warehouse address. So I've clicked on it now. So it's going to help me to ship this product down to the place in, I think, within 2 to 3 days. It depends. So this is the item. So if you want to check more details about this product, you just click on this red icon here. So it's going to give you the details and the tracking code. You can see that it is green. It's saying green right here, and it simply means that this payment has been confirmed, and this is the tracking code of this item. So this is the third item I'll be buying on this website now. So let me just click on this let me click on this 25 RMB now to buy this product. So I want to show you something. So you can see right here that by default, this address that we added the other time has automatically been added. You can see it at the top right hand side there, right? So what we want to do now is to confirm these inches, the inches we want to buy, the inches of the woman hair we want to buy. These are different inches here. Do you get it? So after you confirm the inches, you are going to click on pay. So for this woman here, we are going to be buying 12 inches, and the 12 inches is 35 RMB. So what we want to do is to click on pay. You know, we've selected Alipay as our means of payment, so you can see a notify up here that we have already made a purchase because it has been linked automatically. So guys, this payment has already been paid for, so let's confirm this payment here. So I just click on this chat icon here, then come back to this where you are seeing a something like green in inside of it is vehicle. So I click on it. You can see that I've made a purchase for this item now. So let me click on it now for you to see more details. You can see right here that this goods has been paid for. You can see it. Do you see it that it has been paid for? So that is how to buy and how to add your shipping address on pindoudou account. So I'll see you guys in my next video.